Today, we're going to be having a kind of dictation as well, pronouncing together, okay? So we're going to be pronouncing this list of words we have right here on the board. So it's going to go this way. You pronounce first, then I pronounce. Are you ready? Let's go right into the video. Conduct, conduct. Contact, 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 conduct, contact. Content, content, content. Consent, 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 consent. Commandant, commandant, commandant. Comprehension, comprehension. Composition, composition. Bank, bank, bank. Band, band, band. Canopy, canopy, canopy. Candle, candle, candle. Fantastic, fantastic. Foundation, foundation. Fondant, fondant. Funny, funny, funny. Fumble, fumble, fumble. Ponder, ponder, ponder. Sample, sample, sample. Mingle, mingle. Tumble, tumble, tumble. Tommy, Tommy, Tommy. Vandalize, vandalize. Vanquish, vanquish. Wonder, wonder. One, nanny, nanny. nanny, Monday, Monday, Sunday, Sunday, thumbnail, thumbnail, tune, tune, sand, 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 land, 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 ginger, ginger, conduct, 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 contact, 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 content, 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 consent, 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 commandant, 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 comprehension, 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 composition, 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 bank, 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 band, 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 canopy, 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 candle, 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 fantastic, 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 foundation, 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 fondant, 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 funny, 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 fumble, 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 ponder, 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 sample, 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 single, 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 mingle, 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 tumble, 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 tummy, tummy, vandalize, 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 vanquish, 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 wonder, 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 one, nanny, 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 Monday, 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 Sunday, 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 tunnel, 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 tone, 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 sand, 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 land, 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 ginger, ginger, ginger. So we go over it again. We have conduct, contact, content, consent, commandant, comprehension, composition, bank, band, canopy, candle, fantastic, foundation, fondant, funny, fumble, ponder, sample, single, mingle, tumble, me, me, vandalize, vanquish, wonder, one, nanny, Monday, Sunday, tunnel, tone, sand, land, ginger. Okay, so put together we have conduct, contact, content, consent, commandant, comprehension, composition, bank, band, canopy, candle, fantastic, foundation, fondant, funny, fumble, ponder, sample, single, mingle, tumble, tummy, vandalize, vanquish, wonder, one, nanny, Monday, Sunday, tunnel, tone, sand, land, ginger. Okay, so how many did you get right? Let me know about it in the comment section. And if you're seeing me for the first time, so welcome to the channel right here. This is what we do. We learn how to read, write, and speak. So today we're actually trying to pronounce these words to see if actually we are doing well with our spellings and pronunciation. And I believe we did an amazing job today with this tutorial. Let me know about it in the comment section. Let me know how many you get right, how many you are able to pronounce. And don't forget to stay safe. See you in our next video, and bye for now.